When we talk about the battleground tens of thousands of feet above the Earth, only two names have dominated for more than 50 years: Boeing and Airbus. But suddenly, a new challenger has stepped onto the field. And yes, you guessed it, a newcomer from the East. That rising competitor is COMAC, armed with bold ambitions and aircraft designed to disrupt the status quo. You've likely heard of their well-known C919, but that was only the opening chapter. COMAC's next major creation, the C929, is on the way, a wide-body aircraft aiming straight at giants like the A350 and the Dreamliner. But how could this Chinese jet possibly stand against Boeing and Airbus? And what exactly can we expect from it? Let's dive in. For decades, the dream of conquering the skies with a made-in-China aircraft has burned deeply in the hearts of the Chinese people. Beginning in the 1960s, the journey to achieve that dream faced slow progress and countless obstacles. Developing a large commercial jet is often considered the pinnacle of modern engineering, requiring expertise in design, advanced materials, aircraft engines, and the ability to meet some of the strictest global standards. Yet despite these challenges, China's determination only grew stronger. In 2008, the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, or COMAC, was established with the ambitious mission of building commercial aircraft capable of standing toe-to-toe with Airbus and Boeing. Its first major project, the C919, was envisioned as a narrow-body jet for regional and domestic routes. On May 28, 2023, the C919 entered the history books with its first commercial flight, a milestone that represented the culmination of decades of effort. This moment was not only a technological leap, but also a powerful symbol of national pride, capturing China's resilience and drive to reach new heights. However, the journey didn't stop there. As impressive as the C919 was, it was merely the beginning of something bigger. With space for up to 192 passengers and a range of about 5,555 kilometers, the C919 was ideal for short and medium-haul routes. But it couldn't compete in the long-haul, intercontinental arena, the domain of global aviation heavyweights. And so, the C929 was born. This ambitious, wide-body jet represents China's declaration that it is ready to take its place on the world stage. Designed to carry between 280 and 400 passengers over distances of up to 12,000 kilometers, the aircraft isn't just an engineering feat, it's a symbol of vision and determination. It embodies China's push to redefine its position in the global aviation industry and take the leap from aspiration to realization. The aircraft was officially unveiled at the Singapore Air Show on February 20, 2024, marking a major step forward for COMAC. Originally created as a joint project with Russia under the name CR929, the program hit major roadblocks when geopolitical tensions and conflicting priorities led to Russia's exit in 2023. Undeterred, China took complete control of the project, rebranded it as the C929, and pushed development ahead even faster, showing its firm commitment to its long-term aviation strategy. But just how impressive is the C929? Before we continue, thank you for staying with us this far. This new COMAC aircraft is truly remarkable. And hey, it would mean the world if you could help us reach 40,000 subscribers soon. Your support keeps us going. Thank you for the motivation. First, one of the standout features of the C929 is its advanced design and cutting-edge materials. As a wide-body aircraft, it must handle intense pressures, extreme temperatures, and corrosive conditions. To tackle these challenges, COMAC has incorporated high-tech composite materials, with more than 50% of the aircraft made from carbon fiber, and another 15% from titanium alloys, two of the most advanced materials used in aviation today. These materials don't just reduce the aircraft's weight, they also improve durability, increase fatigue resistance, and offer strong protection against corrosion. Weight reduction is crucial in aviation. Every kilogram saved translates into lower fuel burn, reduced operating costs, and a smaller environmental footprint. By combining state-of-the-art materials with modern engineering, the C929 maximizes performance and positions itself as a serious competitor to long-established giants like the Airbus A350 and the Boeing 787. This achievement not only highlights China's growing technological skill, but also elevates its aviation industry to new heights. Next, the C929's interior is another standout. Its economy cabin features a 3-3-3 seating layout, designed specifically to enhance passenger comfort and create a more spacious feel. This setup offers more room and improves the overall travel experience, making the aircraft well-suited for long-haul flights. With its high passenger capacity and impressive range, the C929 becomes more than a transportation tool. It becomes a bridge connecting Asia with Europe, North America, and many distant regions. In doing so, the aircraft opens new opportunities for global travel and signals China's ambition to reshape the future of intercontinental aviation. Many of the C929's innovations are being developed in Hong Kong, a city known not only for its strong economy, but also for its technological capabilities. Hong Kong has quickly emerged as a key hub for aerospace development, attracting top engineers, advanced research facilities, and valuable resources to support the aviation industry. To bring this wide-body project to life, billions of yuan have been invested in cutting-edge facilities, including composite material factories, advanced R&D centers, and state-of-the-art assembly lines for large fuselage components. In fact, total investment in these facilities exceeds 6.56 billion yuan, roughly $918.4 million US. A massive commitment that highlights China's determination to ensure the success of the C929. The establishment and operation of these large-scale facilities not only reflect China's long-term vision, but also highlight its serious intention to advance domestic aviation technologies that meet global standards while pushing new breakthroughs in the international aerospace sector. This massive investment will not only raise the overall quality of the aircraft, but also drive sustainable growth across the entire industry. From producing high-grade materials to manufacturing complex aircraft components. Backed by modern infrastructure and a skilled workforce, the C929 is positioned not just to compete, but to potentially reshape the future of global aviation. However, developing an aircraft as large and complex as the C929 is no simple task. It presents not only a major technical challenge, but also a confrontation with long-standing perceptions in the global aviation world. One of COMAC's biggest obstacles is gaining trust in international markets. While Chinese airlines strongly support the aircraft, skepticism remains high in regions such as Europe and North America. Concerns about safety, reliability, and overall quality continue to pose barriers, fueled largely by unfamiliarity with Chinese-produced aircraft and lingering biases surrounding made-in-China products. These perceptions have become deeply rooted among many global operators and passengers. Would you personally feel confident flying on a China-made jet like the C919 or C929? And why or why not? Another major hurdle is production capacity. COMAC's manufacturing output still lags behind Western giants such as Airbus and Boeing. While those companies can deliver hundreds of aircraft every year, COMAC is still expanding its production capabilities and building the necessary infrastructure to serve worldwide demand. Achieving this requires long-term planning as well as substantial investment in technology, facilities, and talent, all essential for producing aircraft that meet global standards and can compete in terms of volume with the industry leaders. Additionally, achieving full self-sufficiency remains difficult. Many of the C929's components still depend on Western suppliers, despite China's significant progress in domestic technology. Critical systems, especially engines, still require cooperation with foreign partners to ensure world-class performance. The engine will be a decisive factor in the success of the C929. While the C919 uses the CFM LEAP-1C engine, it has faced criticism for being less efficient than some competing models. For the C929 to truly rival aircraft from Airbus and Boeing, COMAC must ensure that its engines deliver top-tier reliability and efficiency. Whether through developing a domestic engine or securing dependable international partners, this is key to making the C929 a strong contender in the global aviation market. In November, U.S. engine manufacturer GE Aerospace and European landing gear supplier Safran expressed interest in supporting China's leading civil aircraft developer as it builds its largest jetliner yet. After decades of supplying components for smaller aircraft, these new proposals signal that China may continue to rely on foreign partners even as it pushes for technological independence amid ongoing tensions with the West. Safran representatives met with COMAC in Shanghai to discuss specifications for the C929 and prepare bids for critical components, according to Customer Care Director Alex Vanda. Despite these challenges, the C929 still holds the potential to reshape the global aviation landscape. China's domestic market is one of the world's largest and fastest growing, giving the aircraft a strong foundation for success. COMAC is also targeting emerging markets in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where budget-conscious airlines may find the aircraft an appealing alternative to costly Western models. Russia may also become a key partner in the aircraft's future. With strained relations between Russia and Western manufacturers, Russian carriers could turn to COMAC to modernize their fleets, setting the stage for a mutually beneficial partnership. Deliveries of the C929 are expected to begin as early as 2027. Until then, this jet, COMAC's third civilian aircraft model and a symbol of China's drive for industrial independence, aims to compete with the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 in terms of long-range performance. The C929 is more than a new aircraft. It represents China's ambition to become a major force in global aviation. Built to meet strict international standards while maintaining full independent intellectual property, it marks a turning point for China, showcasing its growing technological autonomy and reducing its reliance on foreign systems. With this aircraft, China seeks not only to compete directly with the industry's biggest names, but also to demonstrate its ability to shape the future of global aviation on its own terms. What are your thoughts on this aircraft? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and may all your future journeys be safe and smooth.